Here start. This is now the third function of management, and it's really important and play a key role in management, and asked to be the front line of function that how the organization will regulate, because this function will provide a way, will provide a enlightened way through which the government can easily accomplish its goal. A team leader is really important for any organization to regulate his task and to lead up the situation in very formal way. So in leading process, the manager is act as a leader. A leader, what is the function of leader at this situation? Leader requires to motivate his employees, to motivate their employees to to build a constructive relationship between two things and formal for conservative work between these areas. So a true leader has to motivate his employees again any type of task and in any type of work that is related to these types of things. So a true leader is someone who provide an guidance and provide an instruction and direction to his employee. So these three things are really important, which include the guidance, instruction and direction. From these things the employee can be motivated and easily accomplish the goal successfully. So the key result about these things that manager use of authority and communicate effectively. A communication is the key relationship between the manager and the employees. This can act as a bridge between the two employees. A positive communication skill will lead up to the fluency and the employees can easily understand and grasp the idea and can easily evaluate about the situation and how they can cope with the situation and how to make a successful working condition in the world. So the team leader reports about the situation overseeing the several teams. Team leader manages several teams and offer the work about these things. Supervision of employees and their work is really important for the team leader. A team leader make a successful campaign for the employees. At this situation, a team leader has used his own knowledge, his own skill to achieve the organization goal, and team leader when motivate his employees as a group as a function to successfully oriented manner. This is really helpful for the organization to make sure. A leader basically in any task, a leader play a key role for the organization to elaborate and to mark the leadership style to ensure that all the dimensions are being addressed. So motivating the employee with a vision, with a purpose of a goal, with their actions, with their progress and their result. So the manager and the team leader will ask the employees and how to collective unity or a team separate attention to individuals. So the team leader when addressing to his employees, they have special attention to each employee to mark up situation and how they will understand regarding the projects, so that they is not directly reported to the team leader. It's really helpful for the situation. On the other hand, a good leader listens constructively with the membership and customer to result change is delivering. These are types of things is really important because three things are really important: the skills, the leader, and the responsible for developing international techniques, the innovation, new things, the changing of internal and external environment. So three things you must be known about things. The leader must have a key interest of these three things: the motivate his employees, the use of authority, and communicate effectively. So the communication, effective communication to motivate employee and to upstick employee regarding the accomplishment of goal. Supervision of employees and their work. After the communication effectively and after the team leader gave a review about the project, they can supervise the whole work and their work, the whole employees and their work. If found any problem, then team leader may also guide to the employees how to make this work more effective and more efficient to the organization. So this is here basically a team leader must be adaptive style. A team leader must be an impressive. A team leader must have strong communication skill, because the leader is really important. The person with strong communication skill, the person with effective personality, the person with the use of his mind, with the person with use of his creative mind ideas, can really boost up and to stir up employees to lead up or the organization. That's really important for any organization to overcome the objective of organization successfully. This is leading the third function of organization and may be very helpful, which explore and try out the best leader for the organization. An organization can easily evaluate that which person is best to lead his team. This can a really important function to accomplish the goal successfully in any task, and to make sure that team is committed and determined towards the task of goal, which is really important for the situation. And the team leader, many attributes are really important: their attitude, their creativity, and their ability to inspire, their confidence. These types of thing is really important, because confidence and attitude and the way of talking and the motivation level, then how these things are really important for the team leader. So must known about these things, that these things are very important. A good leader must have these attributes to lead his team and make a successful campaign for his organization. So next we have to proceed over next slide. This is next slide will lead to our controlling situation. So here we can start our next slide.